Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I won a Saviland giveaway on Instagram and the package came. But first, I want to do a mini haul. So I got a couple things from Amazon and Shein. I'll have the links to everything in the description box. First is this heart-shaped ring. I was actually a bit skeptical about getting this ring because I was like, for 99 pence, it's probably going to be trash. But I thought, it's only £1, let me just get it. And guys, look at this ring. I got it for my Valentine's Day nails because it's a season of love. I wanted it to be like an engagement ring when I take a picture of my nails. But guys, I'm falling in love with it. My mom was like, don't wear it outside, it's false advertisement, everyone's gonna think you're engaged. I was like, I know, mom, it's just for the picture, just for the aesthetic. Like, I was like, it's not that deep, but I understand where she was coming from because this ring looks like the real deal. Next, I bought these magnets. So I've seen a couple nail techs do this technique of putting the magnets on the tip cutters to make sure that each nail is the exact length. So I got it from Amazon. It was only £5. I'm gonna use them when I do my nails next so you guys can see how it works. But you can make it shorter, longer, and get any length you desire, and it's gonna be equal each time. And finally, for my haul, I'm so excited, my Saviland gel liner brushes. The brushes I've been using previously were the ones that came in my water decals kit. I'll have the video of that unboxing in the cards. It felt a bit cheap to me, so I said, let me get a proper professional gel liner brush set. So here are all the lengths of the liner brushes. They feel really premium in the hand. They don't feel flimsy and cheap, which is really good, especially for the price. And like, they're just so pretty. Like, one thing about me when I'm on Amazon or Shein, if it's cute, I'm getting it. Like, I'm sold. And look how beautiful these are. They're just so cute. They make me want to do nails every day if I could, you know? Honestly, at this point, I just need to partner with Saviland because I've been rocking with them from like day one. Okay, let's get into the kit. Like I said earlier, I won the kit in a giveaway. Do any of you guys join giveaways like on Instagram or social media? Because I never really used to believe in them. I just thought they were, you know, like fake. But I've won 2 giveaways now so far. One was 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬 and now Saviland. So first things first, you got a really detailed manual on how to use everything in the kit step by step. And also how to contact them if you're happy or unhappy, which is really good. So this kit comes with a mini LED UV lamp, and I love these type of lamps. This actually reminds me of my 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬 one that came in the Gel X kit, and as you can see, I've been using it all the time. They look pretty identical, so I know this one is going to work just as well as the other one. Next, we've got this box that says nail gel set, and inside you've got a slip solution pot. I've never actually used a slip solution in a pot before, but I have since used this slip solution and it works really well. Very, very good, especially with the polygels that came with the kit. They just pair very, very well together. Inside the kit is also a top coat and a base coat. The top coat is really thick, it works so well, and it's a no wipe top coat, so 10 out of 10. Also, because of how thick it was, it's really good for sticking rhinestones and nail art on without the use of like a glue gel. I was so intrigued with this slip solution in the pot because I had no idea what it would be like, the consistency or anything, but it was actually just, you know, it was really good. I actually want to save the polygels for last so we can do the swatches together. So now we've got the nail files. We've got a 100-180 grit file. It's not the strongest, but you know, like it got the job done, you know. We've also got the nail buffer. It looks like something spilled on it. It comes with a polygel brush, which is really good. It's a bit flat. I've never had a brush that's this flat before, so I was very curious to see how it worked. No complaints, it works really well. I've used it. And lastly, we have dual forms. You guys know me, I don't use dual forms. Like, even my most popular video, which is my polygel fail, it was because of dual forms. I have said in another video before that I wanted to revisit dual forms, but I don't know. If you want me to, let me know. Okay, moving on to the swatches. I've laid out the polygels in order of light to darkest. Lightest being white, obviously, and darkest being the glitter polygel. Okay, so here's where the drama started. I'm squeezing, trying to do a swatch. Squeezing, and I kept going till I got halfway down the tube. I could not believe my eyes. You should have seen the look on my face. It was half polygel, half air. I can't. Okay, moving on to pale pink. This color is so beautiful, but most importantly, it's a full tube. You know, this is going to be my new standard of testing polygels. Is the tube full or not? The next color is light pink. Here we go. Half tube again. Do you know what I think? It might be because this is a giveaway kit. They must have said, give them all the half empty tubes in the giveaway because it's not making sense. But But anyways, here are the colors. Light pink does not look pink at all to me. It looks very nude, like a very light beige nude, which I actually really like and look forward to using. But if you notice, the two colors on the left, the white and the pale pink, they look like jelly colors, like jelly polygel. Okay, moving on to the next color, pink purple. Guys, again, this squeezing thing is getting a bit too much. Like, I should get compensation. At least the color's beautiful. I have already done a set with it, and you can see it at the end of the video. Okay, moving on to the next color, violet. This color is so gorgeous. It actually reminds me of the mauve shade of the Azure Beauty dip powder I used in my previous video. But yeah, it's really gorgeous. It actually makes me feel like autumn. It gives me autumn vibes. And last but not least, the glitter polygel, glitter purple. I think it is beautiful. You guys already know this. Saviland polygels are my day one. They are the only glitter polygels I use, period. One thing I will mention and give them props about is how buttery and smooth the polygels are. Look how silky and just smooth they are. They're just self-level. And I think that's a good sign of a top quality polygel. But overall, I'm so happy with this kit. Thank you so much, Saviland, for gifting me this kit as part of the giveaway. I had a little complaint here and there, but look, I'm grateful. I'm so happy. I was able to do one of my favorite set of nails so far using this kit. I'll show you guys a little preview of the nails. It's going to be my next video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you watched all the way, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.